Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel for beginners. Let's dive right into understanding the Excel interface, which includes the ribbon at the top and individual cells where you'll input data. You'll quickly learn to enter and modify information, making your spreadsheets accurate. Navigating through your worksheets is simple using both your keyboard and mouse, allowing for efficient data management from the start. Now, let's unlock the power of formulas. You can easily perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For quicker results, master functions like sum and average to process numerical data efficiently. Understanding the difference between relative and absolute cell references is crucial for copying formulas correctly across your spreadsheet, saving you significant time. Organizing your data makes it much more readable and useful. You can effortlessly sort your information alphabetically or numerically to find what you need quickly. Conditional formatting allows you to highlight specific data points, like values over $1, 000, or percentages above 25%, making trends immediately visible. Creating tables also helps manage and analyze your data with built-in tools. Finally, let's make your data visually appealing and boost your efficiency. Generating simple charts, like bar or pie charts, helps you present your findings clearly and effectively. Discovering time-saving shortcuts will significantly increase your productivity, allowing you to complete tasks faster. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keep practicing these easy methods, and you'll be excelling in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.